She told me to walk this way. I told the way. Walk this way.
Jigs! Tambay lang tayo noon.
Tambay pa rin ngayon.
Tambay pa rin ngayon. Oh, ayun na siya. Hi, Jigs!
Hello.
The words were made because you wanted to give us the best show. And I wanted to give him the best show because he deserves it. Okay, so thank you very much. Enjoy. That's the way. Please listen to the music because Jigger made that, he composed that specifically for the show, and he also played the music. He composed it and he played it. So he produced it. So please, whenever you look.
Hi everyone. I want to say thank you for coming and joining us for the opening of the show. And I hope you enjoy the show. There's so many things to mention for who participated to build the show, but you know who you are. The Metropolitan team, Ms. Lord, Tina, and Christina, Ira, and the curator Norman Cusolodo. Thank you so much, and I hope you'll enjoy the show and get crazy.
When I was glorious, like seeing all your beautiful faces here. Thank you for coming. For those who know me, you know that I'm the curator who doesn't like talking about art. This is a bit difficult for me. But anyway,
You just judged.
palagi ako sa bahay nila. She always cooks my favorite food. And I'd like to thank my wife and my daughter for putting up with me not being home for so long. I'll be coming home soon. And then the collectors, grabe, thank you. You will be living your lives without your Jigger Cruises for several months. And I know you can feel the absence. Diba? When it's hanging in your wall for a while, and then once you take it off, parang wala talaga mapapalit na ibang work. So, thank you very much for letting us. I hope everyone has a good time at the show. And finally, I really want to thank Jigger Cruz, not for being a great artist, everybody knows that about, but for being a great friend.
Yeah.
your... Okay. Parang secondary na lang yung art. I know for a fact that a lot of the work were made because you wanted to give us the best. I wanted to give him the best because he deserves it. Okay, so thank you very much. Enjoy. That's the way.